सभापति जी।
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार जी। Only 1 minute, okay.
Yes, 1 minute. Sir, I have been thinking for since long, whatever we speak here and whatever the issue that we raise, especially the people's issues, we don't have any information whether on those issues which goes on record, government take any action. There is no system of informing us what happened to whatever we speak here, especially of the people's issue. There is a complete vacuum. So we take a solace as if we have spoken, it has gone on record, that will be in a book in a binding, and that's it. Nothing else.
Okay, you can...
the House has to set up a system whereby if the genuine issues are raised by the member, government must act on it. Mr. Naqvi gave us the assurance that he will be speaking to the minister. He may be speaking, I don't doubt
I
it.
think we
but
should...
what happened to the minister after speaking him, whether the minister has taken
you
any
can
action
bring it
on
to the
or
General
not?
Purpose Committee. We will discuss there.
Sorry, sir?
You can bring it to the General Purpose Committee. Then committee will take a decision, come back to
Sir,
that.
it is a very serious thing.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we
Yeah,
have
I
laughing
understood.
stock
Now,
in the eyes of people, sir.
serious, I accept. Yeah. Naturally, members would like to know what action is taken. There should be some system. That is all what you are saying. I agree that point, but it is for the House to decide, and there is a procedure. Now, listen, as per the understanding arrived at this morning, in presence of Honorable Chairman, the reply to the discussion of the Human Resource Development Ministry will be now up to 3:30. 3:30 to 6 will be private members' bill. So Honorable Minister may reply now, but you have to confine to, yes, how much time? Yeah. 3:30 it will be over, because 3:30 is private.
मुझे बात करनी है। कल मैं जब बोल रहा था तो मैंने कृष्ण गोपाल जी का नाम लिया था। वो शायद चूंकि सदन सदस्य भी नहीं हो, किसी का नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए, तो मेरा अनुरोध है कि उसको नाम को डिलीट कर दें। उसे डिलीट कर दें, जिससे कोई आहत भी ना हो। मेरा कोई इंटेंशन ऐसा नहीं था किसी को आहत करने का। मंत्री जी, आप जब जवाब दें तो रिवाड़ी में छात्राएं बैठी हैं हड़ताल पर, उसको भी आप सीरियसली ले लें। और रिवाड़ी पे भी क्या सरकार इसके ले रही है, रिवाड़ी पे भी जवाब दें।
थोड़ी देरी है तो फिर विष्णु अच्छा है। So